Hi everyone, so today we'll learn how you can install a Node.js version using NVM. As you can see, I'm using Windows command prompt here. First of all, let's see what are the versions that I have installed on this PC. For that, I have to write the command NVM list. So you can see I got two Node versions installed on this PC. And if I want to uninstall this one, I can type a command NVM uninstall 25.2.1. After doing so, I just need to press the enter key. You can see it is getting installed. Now let's write the command again, nvm list. Now you can see I only have one Node version installed on my PC. So I hope you understood how to install a specific version of Node using NVM. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.